hungry. Oh, wow. So I got my Ulta package right here. It's crushed, but whatever. Let's see what I ordered. I got the Milani Green Goddess Makeup Melter. I got the last one in stock. And oh my god, I got the Revolution Glow. Ooh, look at that. Girl, give me my good. That don't even match. Fine, let me put it on your face now after. Then I got the Physician Formula All-Star Face Palette. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty.
Can I open this? Okay, show them first.
Okay, I got the Kat Von D Good Apple.
From TikTok. I saw it from TikTok.
Don't break it. What if it doesn't? It should match it.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't oxidize.
You have to get the. Can I get one of your makeup?
Wait, let me. Girl, go get my makeup brush.
Which one?
Oh, I have new makeup brush. Then I got the e.l.f. Flawless Face.
If this doesn't fit your color, can I have it?
Girl, it is my color. And I got the Morphe 35C Everyday Chick. So that's what I got.
Look at that.
And this girl is so excited to try out my, let me use my brush. So she's written, I got the Kat Von D Good Apple.
Did it work on her? Too white.
Girl, man, this girl.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
But there's really nothing to touch it.
Okay. So you like,
My face is washed.
okay, can you like tie up your hair or something? Where do you want me to put it at? So,
Put it on her cheek.
her cheek?
You have to get like those fat brushes.
You think I don't know?
Thank you.
No, it's not this one. It's this one right here.
I don't think this is your color.
I don't think it's your color.
I know, it's pretty orange. Can you use this one?
Yeah, I went on live a couple times, but I really don't really have time. But yeah,
Can we do this
made it.
Can we do this
Yes, makeup brushes.
one? Can we do this one?
Yes, we're gonna do that one. She wants to try the Kat Von D the Good Apple.
Filter on?
The Good Apple.
Why are
This
my
one is
eyes
low.
so big? I want to do it.
Go.
Whoa, that is so light.
It's gonna. I think it oxidized.
I like this. How much was it?
You got $38.
Yeah.
No, you don't. You're broke, girl. Let me see.
Is this really? This is really. I could be Korean now.
Oh my God, beat yourself. And yeah, it is really nice. Ooh, look at her. Ooh, she's a brand new. Wow.
I can't
Ada,
tell.
you have dry face. Do you have dry or oily face, Ada?
Try.
This is good for a dry face.
I don't want makeup, so.
Yeah. Let's cover your.
Pimples? Yeah. Is it working?
Wow, wow. Don't be catfishing people
Is
now.
the filter on?
The filter, there's a little filter on it. Just a little bit.
I can't tell.
Wow, look
Yeah, I have
at
a big forehead.
Wow, let me see.
No, I can't see my big forehead.
Wow, go to your dad now. Go show your dad. It is full coverage. It is worth it for its price, but you get so little. But then again, Kat Von D, I really like the product. Even their foundation. The foundation is really nice.
If this is not your color, can I have it?
It is my color.
What if it's not?
Oh my God. Stop eating my food. Ada, did you just eat half of my cucumber salad?
No.
You did.
I'm putting on my chef mark.
So, it is full coverage. So.
Can I get another dot?
Hey! This is expensive, girl. Oh, you didn't like the you didn't like the foundation. The foundation, you have to prep your face first before you use it. What I use is the Milani prep oil. Oh yeah, I have to use the oil first on my face before I actually put on the actual foundation. But I found a duplicate. Basically, it's like the Kat Von D foundation. It's basically like the Milani 2-in-1. So So I stopped buying Kat Von D and I started buying that. But all of this stuff, 8 items, I paid 88 cents for.
Are you lighter than me?
Lighter? Oh, the color.
Okay, go away. Shoot.
No, that's orange.
Shoot. No, this is mine. They ran out of a lot of colors. This is the closest to my color. I'm gonna go take it to a store. Yeah, it's used. I didn't get to use it yet. My daughter used it.
I want it.
Oh yeah, this one right here. I have the Morphe one. I have another one too, but I like this one because of the color. Can you guys stop eating my food?
It's good.
Then can you throw more in the air fryer? I thought you guys weren't hungry.
I know.
So I like this one. This is the Morphe 35C in Everyday Chic. Woo! Look at that. That is so pretty. Ooh. Wow. It's really pretty. Oh my god, look at that shimmer. It's so pretty. Oh, I guess I better put this back so I know exactly which color I'm using. It's really pretty. These were all the colors I would definitely put on. But I'm not too much of, I used to wear like bright eyeshadow, but not anymore because, you know, I grew up. I'm a big girl now. I don't wear eyeshadow. And so, let's see what else. So I got a big brush because I just wanted a big brush because I just wanted one. I don't need any more brushes, but I just wanted one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 items for 88 cents. Not bad. Okay.
It's so good.
Okay, and then I have the Physician Formula All-Star Face Palette right here. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's because, you know, if you're over the age of 21, I don't recommend it. So, basically, Chumba Casino, the online casino, basically what they do is they give you free money to play. So one night I played, they gave me $1 free play, and then the little fake coin, 200,000, the fake coin to play. Then, you know, I lost that $1, so I'm like, okay, let me just purchase $20 and play online. That $20 turned into $170. So I basically cashed out $150 in Ulta gift card, and then I added everything in my cart, which 88 cents. Free Ulta card. What? Oh, look how pretty that is. I'm so excited. It smells really good. If you don't like the coconut smell, it's not for you, but all their stuff have really like coconut smell to it. But yeah, that's yeah. Oh my god, I thought that was a you know, like, what is it, a scam, that online casino that was fake and whatever. Until my brother fucking hit 2 jackpot on there. My younger brother hit 2 jackpot. He's oh, try Diana, blah blah this and that. And last week I won with using free play. I won $300 plus that money. Ooh, plus the first the 150. So, ooh, I'm just gonna open this. No, actually, I'm gonna open it. I don't want to open it. So I'm just gonna put that in my stack. So yeah, I can't wait to actually use my brush. Elf Cosmetic. It is very thank you. So Elf Cosmetic, their brushes are super cheap, but oh my god, these brushes last longer than my MAC brushes. My MAC brushes, as soon as I started using it, like I put on makeup almost every day, so I started using the MAC makeup, the MAC brushes, and oh my freaking god, you know what happened? This part broke off. That was so annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off and have dinner, and then I'll probably hop on later on, maybe. Oh yeah, elf brushes are bomb.com. Oh my god, you should get the silver edition, the one with the little silver handles. Those are freaking bomb.com. Like, I'm super, especially if you coupon, use your freaking extra bucks, use your extra reward point, and that's what I do. I mean, you know, they don't have coupons for like freaking brushes and whatnot. and especially e.l.f. makeup. They don't have brushes for that, and that's what I use my free extra bucks for. I'm super cheap. Yes, go check them out. They're a little bit more on the pricey side compared to these one right here. They're more on the pricey side, but they're definitely worth it. Like during Christmas time, look around during Christmas time. What they actually sell is the Christmas edition. Christmas edition is a little bit cheaper. I think it's like $20 for a whole set. Dang, you must be racking up a lot of points shopping at Ulta. I don't shop at Ulta unless I have free money, because I just feel like when you go in there, like my pocket is hurting, because we don't so we paid off all of our credit cards, so we don't have the credit cards, so everything that's coming out of pocket is cash. So yeah, you must have a lot of points, because I know I don't have a lot of points. Ooh. Babe, you want to see? Babe, it's so pretty. It's pretty, huh?
You're like a cookie.
You're like a cookie.
Candy.
Hi, Wow Samson. Oh yeah. These you know the e.l.f. brushes now, the black ones are no longer available at Dollar Tree. They got super freaking smart. And they started selling the white ones instead, the cheaper one. But I don't mind the white one. I love the one with the white brushes. I like their concealing. I like their brows pencil, another brow brush, and then I like the concealer brush. I've used it for so many years, and so yeah. I'm not into the whole name brand, like, get MAC. I bought it because people thought, oh my god, it's so bomb. They're like, oh my god, it's so bomb. MAC brushes, and they lied to me. I'm over here. Why you guys? My younger sister was like, oh, because she used MAC. So she's like, oh my god, it's so bomb. This and that. And then when I bought it, and I bought like a whole set for like, it came out fucking 6 brushes for fucking $40 back then, $45. That's fucking expensive for MAC brushes. And I was like, oh my god, why are you talking liar? It's broken. So I started going with cheaper ones because I am a little bit rough. Oh yeah, that's the way to go. And use everything but affordable is the way to go. Especially, when you have kids, family, or you're just savvy like that. It's the best way to go. Oh yeah, I get that a lot. I do talk very fast. It's very, most people, I'm Mian, so most people we talk very fast. Actually, most Asian people in general talk very fast. Oh yeah, that's where I get my brush from. So there's this brand. It's not BH Cosmetic. There's this other brand that's really good too. It's they sell it at Ross. I'm gonna put my makeup away. I should have dinner. Yeah, I'm just gonna toss it back into the box. This stuff right here is freaking amazing. So I bought the other one today. It's the makeup. It's the 3-in-1. It's the Perfect Matcha by Physician Formula. I don't think it's just Hispanic that speak Lao, because my family is very diverse. So we are a mixture family. So I have family members who are half African American, Indian. My niece and nephew are half Hispanic and Native American, and then I have my other niece. They're just half Mexicans, and no, my family is very blended. My cousin, he's half black. So we're all just loud in general. Like, a lot of people are like, oh my god, Asian people are so quiet. Not my family. They're loud as fuck.